Grade 2, it is time for our social studies lesson for today. We've been working on our mapping skills, and today we're going to be making a map by following directions. And then we're going to review some of the words that we have learned about maps. I'm going to share my screen with you so we can work through that together. You will need to have your map pages from both bundles, last week's bundle and this week's bundle too. Let's start with this week's bundle. I hope that you filled in all of the labels from yesterday's lesson. And today you're going to be following the instructions that say, draw the symbols on this map, that's this one down here, so that, and then you follow these directions. The symbols that you will need are up on the top. This is the key on the top. And notice the compass rose. So you need to make sure they have already started by drawing the symbol of ice cream shop and drawing the symbol of dentist on the map. So use those two as a reference for where the other 4 symbols are to be drawn. Notice at the top, remember there's the compass rose. So you will be able to find north, south, east, and west directions as far as the instructions go. All right, and then the next part is you need to write the meaning of each word. I'm going to do this part with you. For this, you will need to have the words from the first part, so the first bundle. You need to write what map means in this area here. So you will need a pencil and eraser. Or you can just fill it in online as well by typing it in. So here we go. So the mapping skills part 1 and 2. So here it shows you on the very first page what the meaning of map is. It says a map is a picture that shows us a place. So we're going to write that in the box from today's page. So a map is a picture that shows us a place. And I'm just going to get my writing tool ready for that. Okay. So a map is a picture that shows us a place. So go ahead to type that. Oh, sorry, not type. Yeah, you can type that, or you can print the words in after you have printed it off, or use a separate paper just to write that again. And a compass rose. So let's look again on the mapping skills part 1 and 2 bundle and scroll through it until we find the word compass rose. Tell me when to stop. Ah, I heard you. This is a compass rose. It shows cardinal directions. What are the cardinal directions? North, south, east, west. All right, so we're going to use that information to write a part of the sentence, the rest of the sentence, what a compass rose is. compass rose shows where cardinal directions of north shows us the cardinal directions where the cardinal directions, I'm just going to shrink this box down, shows us where the cardinal directions of north, south, south, east, and west are on a map. So a compass rose shows where the cardinal directions of north, south, east, and west are on a map. Now we need to find the word key. We will find this in today's bundle, or actually yesterday's bundle. Scoot to the top of the page of the bundle, and let's see, you can help me find the word key after we scroll down. I heard you, there it is. Key. All right, so maps have symbols on them. A symbol is a simple picture. The symbols are on a key. This helps you read a map. So all of these words, all these sentences help us with figuring out what the meaning of key is. All right, so now let's go back to that last page that we're building together. So a key. Keys, it shows what the symbols are on a map. It shows what the symbols are on a map. Here we go. So once you have printed those words on your paper or on your screen, make sure you have filled in all of the symbols, now that you know what that is, using this key and these instructions for where they're placed according to the compass rose cardinal directions. And that is your social studies practice of map skills. I hope you enjoy that, and I hope that this video was helpful. Have a great rest of your day.